Here we go. I think I'm good. Hey, hope everybody had an awesome week. Ryan Lee here with Planet Cheapskate. I'm popping on here to do the rate update. I realize it's a little bit early, and there's a special reason for that. I'm going to be in the parade, the parade for the Wichita River Festival. So my hometown's Wichita, Kansas. Every year around this time, they have a river festival where we kind of get together, we celebrate. There's great food, there's a carnival, all kinds of things going on. It's an awesome time. So if you are in Wichita or you're new to Wichita, be sure to check that out. It's downtown. It starts tonight. There's the sundown parade, and then it goes all the way. I think it's a couple weeks long. I don't know for offhand how long it is, but it's awesome time. Great food, great environment. Check it out. Buttons I think are $15, but it does get you in to see the man, the legend, Willie Nelson. Also, War. A lot of people may not know War, but you're definitely going to recognize the song. If I was to go, dun 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 dun. Yeah, you're right. That Lowrider song, War did that. So I'm excited about that. I'm definitely going to check it out. If you're at the parade, look for me. I have my goat hat on. So if you see me, holler out Planet Cheapskate and wave. I'll give you a wave. Unfortunately, I can't hand anything out, which is kind of a bummer. I wanted to throw out candy, throw out all kinds of swag because I love giving away swag, but they don't allow it. So I'm going to be with the Spirit crew for Spirit Aero Systems. So keep a lookout for me and Denise. We'll be out and about. But hey, if you haven't tuned in before and you're just catching this so you can get the idea of what the rates are, I do a rate update every Friday. If you haven't subscribed, hit that button, subscribe. You're going to know what the rates are looking like. You're going to know what the market's looking like. I go through all kinds of statistics. Fridays, I make 50 of the most competitively priced banks compete, and then I show you what the rates that they're showing me so you know what the rates are going to look like going into the weekend. Mondays, when I do my housing market update, look at the statistics, kind of show you where they're going. Last Monday, we kind of seen that the market may be in for a flip. It's not going to happen overnight. It's going to happen a few months from now, but I think it's going to be a better time for buying. Or if you have an FHA or a VA loan, now is your time to where you're probably going to see those offers getting accepted if you put in for it. Don't wait till we have the discount of 10, 20% in the winter or into next year, because then you're going to be competing with those conventional offers again. If you're FHA, VA, your rate should be lower than those conventional rates already, so you can afford to make an offer in this environment. Your rates, FHA and VA, should still be in the 4% range. So with that said, I'm going to be at the Riverfest. I'm excited about that. I'm stoked. So hopefully I see you there. If you see me out and about, I'm a pretty easily approachable guy. Come and talk to me, say what's up. Other than that, let me explain my rates here a little bit. So every Friday, I make 50 of the most competitively priced banks compete to show me what their rates are. So what I do is I just take an average borrower, someone with a 700 credit score, trying to get a $250,000 house, and on a 30-day lock for a 30-year fixed mortgage. And what I do is I make them compete, and then I show you guys what they're offering. So that's that. Let me go ahead and get into these rates without further ado. They did tick up just a tad, not too bad though, about an eighth across the board. So conventional is at 5.125 with an APR of 5.390. FHA is at 4.375 with an APR of 5.369. VA is at 4.5 with a APR of 4.695. And USDA is at 4.5 with an APR of 4.939. So that is what the average rates are. Now, your rates could change based on your credit score, your debt to income ratio, just a myriad of factors. So there should be a link in this video at the bottom if you want a personalized quote. If you are in Kansas, if you're in Oklahoma, if you're in Texas, let me know. I'll get you a personalized quote. You can work with me. I'll make those banks compete for you. I'll make sure you get a lower interest rate and the least amount of fees. If you're anywhere else, I can also get you linked up with someone who does the same thing as me. So, wow, I'm blazing through this. This is going good. So, Other than that, I think that's all I got. I hope everybody has a happy and safe weekend. If you get out to the River Festival, if you get out in your community, be safe, be aware of your surroundings. It's a crazy time right now, but I think that we'll get through it and we're headed to the stars, kind of like the thumbnail that I wrote. I think that even through the difficult times, we can get through it and we can go to the moon. And that's what this channel is all about. We're going to the moon, we're going to the stars. So I'd like to personally invite you to subscribe and join our journey, because my dream is to build a community where we can all help each other out through this most stressful time. And maybe someday it'll be you on camera. Who knows? But join us. Let's build this community up and we'll see where it goes. All right. Everybody have a happy, safe weekend. Bye-bye.